I am the Tofu Golem. Please enjoy the video.
You start by preparing the recorder so it works reliably. First, confirm power, insert fresh batteries or plug the adapter. Low power causes noise. Next, inspect the media. Card or tape must be the right format and clean. Debris creates dropouts. Once done, load a blank card or thread tape following the device's guide, making sure the label or open reel faces correctly. Secure any latches and set input source. These initial checks prevent frustration later. Now you'll configure inputs and levels so your recordings are clean. Choose the correct input: internal microphone for convenience, external mic for quality, or line-in for mixers, because impedance and source matter. Then set gain, speak or play at performance level and trim until peaks sit around -6 decibels. This prevents clipping while keeping a strong signal. Make sure you monitor through headphones and watch the meters, and set sample rate to 44.1 or 48 kHz, depending on. Finally, you record and secure your work. Use a short pre-roll or countdown so you get usable material. Record in segments for long sessions to limit file size. After each take, stop and confirm the device writes the file. Rename with date and project short name so you can find it later. When finished, finalize or close the tape session, then safely eject the card or tape. If you hear hiss or get dropouts, check battery health, clean contacts, and verify tape tension before retrying.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.